Welcome to your new home. Long driveway and a majestic oak tree lead to this 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home on a beautiful 0.45-acre golf course lot. Fresh interior paint, most windows replaced, your own well for irrigation, and a remodeled kitchen. Features include wood cabinets, stainless appliances, granite counters, and convenient instant hot water tap. The large 3.3 by 4.5 pantry includes a spice rack on the door. Tile floors in living, dining, and family rooms, plus kitchen and breakfast room. Stone-fronted fireplace in your nice-sized family room. Spacious lanai has a vinyl ceiling, 2 ceiling fans, wet bar, and cabinet for pool equipment overlooking your solar-heated pool. Master has a divided bath with a door out to the pool. Roof replaced 2014 and HVAC in 2016.